Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here just to go over a few things that I wanted to make sure you guys understood, just to make things better for you guys, and then for you guys to stay on track. So the one thing that I wanted to go over first is completing your work. Hey guys, I just wanted to get on here just to go over a few things that I think we needed to cover and just make sure that you understood. The first thing is I need you guys to complete your work in the order that it's assigned. If you do not complete it in the order that it's assigned, it's not going to make sense. So in your stream, whenever I tell you today's agenda, I need you guys to follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, follow that in the order. Also, I'm working on grades, so I'll be posting those soon. And then if you guys need help and you don't understand something, please do not sit there in your desk and be clueless. Either raise your hand and ask Miss Melendi for some help, and if she's limited to what she can do, she can always send me a text message, and then I can help you guys. Or if you need a quick response, you guys can send me a remind. If it doesn't matter how soon I get back to you, send me an email. But for a faster response, you guys should send me a remind. Also, when taking quizzes, please do not start a quiz unless Miss Melendi or I have instructed you to do so. So whenever you have your quiz, you have to wait on her to tell you to go ahead and start. If I see something that is you opened and then you closed and then you opened again, you need to make sure that you tell Miss Melendi that happened, because it will be marked as a 0. Okay, and if it should be something that within seconds or a minute, if it's anything other than that, then it's going to be marked as a 0. If you guys have any questions, just make sure you guys send me an email. I really need you guys to, send me an email, send me a text or a remind, just to make sure that you guys are understanding what you're learning. Okay, if I need to schedule a Google Meet with you because you're not understanding something, please let me know, and I'll make that available to you guys. Also, let me think, is there anything else? Yes, make sure you guys, if you're virtual, make sure you're on when you're supposed to be, every class period, because you're virtual, and if you're not, then you're going to fall behind really quick. And if you're hybrid, same thing. Traditional, same thing. Your assignments are due in class, and anything that you don't get to, then you can work on it at home. You guys have deadlines that I set for you guys for a reason, and that's to help you guys keep on track. Okay, because if you don't follow those, it's really quick. Last week I did cut you guys a break just because it's the first week and we're all getting used to all of this, but this week it's going to be a little bit tighter on due dates. Okay, so just make sure that you turn things in when you're supposed to, or by the deadline. Okay, so just make sure, if you guys have questions, like I said, make sure you guys reach out either through Remind or through an email, and I'll be happy to help you, and Miss Melendi was there to help you as well. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.